everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 23rd to 27th of January 2023 on Monday. Throwing an ex's wife into the mix always spells trouble. Mreza has to physically remove his wife when she causes a scene. Wumpo gave in to Pele's desperate pleas on Tuesday. No one but Ayanda notices that Makumalo is hurt. Tracy is not impressed when Mazupul's ring. A stern warning leaves Pizzo even more determined to get justice on Wednesday. Kosiabo's personal life is way too complicated for his liking. Sandile extend a helping hand, but can he be trusted? The resentment toward Commander James grows and festers on Thursday. Lucy is furious to realize that she's shot herself in the foot. Nozipo feels guilty and goes on the attack, but he is unwittingly drawn into the family's shenanigans on Friday. Ayanda worries that her decision might end her relationship. Battle lines are drawn when Fide realizes what her friend is up to. Paul is crushed after receiving devastating news. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.